Today, we will make traveling by bus and train simple, so you can buy tickets, ask about schedules, and find the right stops with confidence.
That means by the end, you will know clear, practical phrases to ask for tickets, check departure times, and confirm stops.
We will practice short lines you can use at the station or on the phone, and we will end with exact phrases to save to your phone.
This lesson will save you time and help you travel with less stress.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Speak Easy English. Today, we will talk about taking a bus or train and how to ask about tickets, schedules, and stops.
I will add short definitions and examples, and we will do practice lines together so you feel ready.
First, quick tip. Pack your card or cash and know the name of your stop before you arrive.
That tip keeps your travel smooth and avoids last-minute confusion.
The plan is to learn how to ask where to buy a ticket, how to check the next departure, and how to confirm your stop when you board.
I will explain words like platform, transfer, and timetable.
Let us begin with buying a ticket at the counter or kiosk.
What is a simple starter line to use at a ticket window?
A clear line is, "Where can I buy a ticket, please?"
Where can I buy a ticket, please?
Good. If you want a one-way fare, say, "I need a one-way ticket to downtown."
I need a one-way ticket to downtown.
If you want a return later, say, "I need a round-trip ticket to downtown."
I need a round-trip ticket to downtown.
If the station has a pass option, ask, "Do you sell day passes?"
Do you sell day passes?
If you prefer a contactless card, ask, "Can I pay with my transit card?"
Can I pay with my transit card?
Practice saying that slowly and clearly. Can I pay with my transit card?
Nice and polite, that works well. Now, a small useful definition. Platform means the place where the train stops to let people on and off.
Platform means the area where you board the train.
Platform is where you stand and wait.
Now, a short line to check where to wait. Ask, which platform for the 10 a.m. train to Central Station?
Which platform for the 10 a.m. train to Central Station?
That line helps you find the right place quickly.
For buses, you can ask, which bay is the bus to Main Street leaving from?
Which bay is the bus to Main Street leaving from?
That gets you to the correct bus bay.
Now, a common need is to check times. Ask, when does the next train to Central leave?
When does the next train to Central leave?
Or for buses, say, when is the next bus to the airport?
When is the next bus to the airport?
Those questions will tell you the next departure time.
If you want to check a full schedule, ask, where can I see the timetable?
Where can I see the timetable?
Many stations have posters and digital screens, but this line is handy.
Now a short practice block with 3 quick phrases. Repeat each one after me.
Where can I buy a ticket, please?
Which platform for the 10 a.m. train to Central Station?
When does the next bus to the airport leave?
Great. Those are ready to use at the station.
Quick tip for ticket machines. Press the language button first if the screen is in a language you do not read.
Also check the ticket type options for student, senior, and peak times.
Now, a practical phrase for asking about fares. Use, how much is a single ticket to Central?
How much is a single ticket to Central?
Or ask, how much is a day pass?
How much is a day pass?
That helps you decide the best value.
Now a short definition. Transfer means changing from one bus or train to another on the same journey.
Transfer means switch vehicles to continue your trip.
A useful question is, does this ticket include a transfer?
Does this ticket include a transfer?
If the answer is yes, ask how long the transfer is valid.
How long is the transfer valid?
That keeps you from paying twice.
Now, a practical safety phrase while you wait. Keep your bag in front of you and watch your belongings.
Keep your bag in front of you and watch your belongings.
If you hear an announcement and you do not understand, say, could you repeat that slowly, please?
Could you repeat that slowly, please?
Many stations have busy announcements, and this line helps a lot.
You now have phrases to buy a ticket, check platform, and ask about the next departure.
Great, that is a solid start for any short trip.
Stay with us at the end. I will list the exact phrases to save to your phone.
Later, I will show a quick checklist to use these lines naturally on the platform.
Next, we will cover onboard phrases to ask the driver or conductor.
On a bus, you may need to ask the driver, if this bus goes to Elm Street.
If this bus goes to Elm Street.
That is short and clear.
On trains, ask the conductor, "Excuse me, does this train stop at Maple Avenue?"
Excuse me, does this train stop at Maple Avenue?
When you board, look for route maps and listen for the stop names.
Many trains show the next stop on a display, so check both audio and visual signs.
If you want to get off at the next stop, say, "Excuse me, next stop please."
Excuse me, next stop please.
That is useful on busy trains when you need the door to open.
If you are not sure which stop is yours, ask, can you tell me when we reach Central Station?
Can you tell me when we reach Central Station?
Drivers and conductors will often help.
Now a practice block with 4 short onboard lines. Repeat after me.
If this bus goes to Elm Street.
Excuse me, does this train stop at Maple Avenue?
Excuse me, next stop please.
Can you tell me when we reach Central Station?
Those lines make your trip easy.
Now a short lesson about tickets online. Many transit systems let you buy a ticket on an app.
Ask, does this transit have an app for tickets?
Does this transit have an app for tickets?
Also ask, can I show the ticket on my phone?
Can I show the ticket on my phone?
That avoids confusion when you board.
If the app shows a code, ask, how do I validate the ticket?
How do I validate the ticket?
Some systems require you to tap the card or scan a QR code.
Practice a short line for tapping a card. Do I tap the card here?
Do I tap the card here?
Great, that helps at entry gates.
You now know how to ask about tickets online, tap to enter, check platforms, and ask on board for your stop.
That covers most common travel situations.
Now a short section on schedules and planning. If you need the last train, ask, what time is the last train to Central?
What time is the last train to Central?
For early travel, ask, is there an early morning bus to the airport?
Is there an early morning bus to the airport?
If you travel late, ask, are trains running after midnight on weekends?
Are trains running after midnight on weekends?
That checks special schedules.
Now a practical phrase for delays. Say, is this service delayed?
Is this service delayed?
Or ask, how long is the delay?
How long is the delay?
Staff can tell you alternate options if the delay is long.
Now a small lesson about stops. Use the correct local name for the stop, not a colloquial name if you can.
That helps drivers and staff understand you clearly.
If you are not sure of the stop name, ask, could you tell me the nearest stop for the museum?
Could you tell me the nearest stop for the museum?
Now a practice block with 3 essential travel planning lines. Repeat after me.
What time is the last train to Central?
Is this service delayed?
Could you tell me the nearest stop for the museum?
Good. Those questions prepare you for schedule changes.
Now a short roll example from my travel experience to keep things real. Once I boarded a bus and the driver used a local name I did not know and I missed my stop.
What did you do?
I asked another passenger, can you tell me when we reach Main Street? And they told me in 2 stops.
That shows why it is good to ask, can you tell me when we reach my stop?
Yes, that saved me next time. I used the phrase and I did not miss my stop again.
Now a section on transfers and connections. If you need to change trains, ask, where do I change for the airport line?
Where do I change for the airport line?
If you have a short connection time, ask, is this enough time to transfer?
Is this enough time to transfer?
That helps you decide if you should wait for the next service.
If you plan a long trip, ask, do I need to buy a separate ticket for the second leg?
Do I need to buy a separate ticket for the second leg?
Some systems allow a single ticket for multiple legs, others require separate tickets.
When you board, keep your bag in front of you and hold onto straps on busy services.
Keep your bag in front of you and hold on to straps on busy services.
If you travel with luggage, ask, is there space for luggage here?
Is there space for luggage here?
If staff say no, ask about a luggage area on the train.
Where is the luggage area?
That helps if you carry large bags.
Now a short negotiation or help line. If a machine fails, ask, "Is there someone who can help me with the ticket machine?"
Is there someone who can help me with the ticket machine?
Station staff usually assist or point you to a staffed booth.
You now have lines to buy tickets, check platforms, ask about departures, tap your card on board, and confirm your stop.
That midpoint gives you confidence to travel independently.
Now a short block on refunds and lost items. If you lose something on a train, ask, "Where can I report a lost item?"
Where can I report a lost item?
For refunds, ask, "How do I get a refund for a canceled journey?"
How do I get a refund for a canceled journey?
Keep receipts or screenshots of your ticket when you ask for a refund.
Screenshots help support staff process your request faster. Now a short practice block with 6 quick repeatable travel phrases. Say each line out loud after me.
Where can I buy a ticket, please?
Which platform for the 10 a.m. train to Central Station?
When does the next bus to the airport leave?
If this bus goes to Elm Street,
Excuse me, next stop, please.
can I tap the card here?
Those lines will serve you on most trips.
Now, a short tip for mobile travel. Save a screenshot of your ticket and the stop name so you can show it to staff or other passengers.
That is a practical habit that will save time.
Now, a small lesson about language and politeness. Always say thank you and please when someone helps you.
Please and thank you go a long way in busy stations.
You now can buy tickets, plan transfers, check last trains, ask on board for stops, and use the app for tickets.
That set of skills covers most city travel needs.
Before the recap, if this lesson helped, please like this video and subscribe for more real travel English.
I will confirm I will like and subscribe.
Leave a comment and tell us your local transit tip or a question you have about trains and buses.
I will read the comments and pick one to answer in a future episode.
Now, a direct question to invite comments. What is public transit like where you live?
Tell us one short detail in the comments so we can learn from you.
As promised, here is a short list of top phrases to remember for taking a bus or train. Where can I buy a ticket, please?
Which platform for the 10 a.m. train to Central Station?
When does the next bus to the airport leave?
If this bus goes to Elm Street,
Excuse me, next stop, please?
can I tap the card here?
Use these short lines and practice them aloud before your trip.
Good luck and safe travels. See you next time at Speak Easy English.